Hello to everyone. I am Professor Raja, working as Assistant Professor EC Department, SNS College of Technology and Autonomous Institution Coimbatore. In this YouTube video, I am going to discuss the business model canvas of the Y Combinator company, DoorDash. It is a food delivery and a technology platform domain, and based on this video you may know about how the business model is used in a DoorDash company and how they achieved a world-class business model in the real-time scenario. Now I will continue this video. In general, business model is a one-page strategic management tool used to quickly and easily define, visualize and communicate a business or a business idea or a proof of concept. It breaks down a business into the 9 building essential blocks covering customer segments, value proposition, channel relationships, revenue streams and key source, what are the various activities done inside and outside the company, and partnership related with either an international domain or a national domain, and finally they have to tell the cost structure. It is designed to foster analysis and pivot business models and focusing on how to create, deliver and capture a value. Next, the DoorDash company. The DoorDash company is a food delivery and a technology platform company which is mainly useful to send some food products in the US based segments. That means we have to see the introduction of DoorDash. DoorDash is a US based food ordering and delivery company. It is founded in 2013 by Tony Su, Andy Chuang, Stanley Tang and Ivan Moore. It is the largest food delivery platform in the United States. It connects customers, restaurants and delivery partners through app and website. In general, like in our India, like how the Swiggy, Zomato and Blinkit are like this, in US this is the DoorDash is a world famous company mainly generated used to deliver a food order and a deliver company. It is an American company operating online food ordering and food delivery. It trades under a symbol Dash with 50% of market share. DoorDash is the largest food delivery platform in the United States. It also has a 60% market share in the convenience delivery category. As a member and December 31, 2020, this platform is used by 45 million merchants. Over 20 million customers have a 1 million deliveries. In general, this company is provided a very good remuneration in the US based government. At the end of 2025, DoorDash operates in the United States, Canada, Australia and New Zealand and via international subset delivery, and it crosses 45 countries in around the world. History and growth, we will see one by one. Started as PaloAltoDelivery.com in 2013. Yearly funding received from Y Combinator because it is one of the Y Combinator branded company. Rapid expansion across US and Canada. Went public in 2020 through IPO, and it occurred caviar and world to expand globally. So if you see this growth, 2012 the company got its startup. Next 2013 it receives the seed funding of rupees $120,000 for their startup growth. At 2014 they are raising this as $17.3 million in a series and round. At the age of 2015 the company raised 40 million in the Series B standard. Then from 2016, the DoorDash is raised to 127 million, which is raised to Section C company. At 2014, the company partnered with Starship Technologies and started testing integrated delivery robots into a company operations. At 2018, the company raised to 535 million in funding. That is a very good amount. If you see, student, if you are having the idea of how I can start a startup, think about it. It's getting a money of 1,20,000 from as a startup receiving fund. Now they generated 535 million. You think how they are growing? 1.0 is where 535 million is there. So that is the good improvement in a strategic plan. At 2019, the company raised 400 million, bringing the company's total funding to 1.4 billion. So if you take at the starting, they received 1.2 as their funding. Now at the 2019, that is within 6 years, they raised up to 1.4 billion. As the strategy of 2020, the DoorDash revealed that it has confidentially applied to go for public. Now it is a public oriented company. Next, the business model. The DoorDash business model are classified into three types. One is the business, second one is the users, third one is the dashers, that is where they are used. In the users, they created the menu for top menu, suggested list, scheduled delivery, live tracking, and a dual rating. All these applications, the DoorDash have the specialized app-based application to confirm their operativity. It operates a multi-sided markets, that is customers will place the order, merchants, it means a restaurant or stores, dashers, the delivery partners, like how the Swiggy, Zomato, they have played the role. Next, revenue sources. It generates revenue from delivery fees, restaurant commissions, advertising, and dash pass subscriptions. Next, the product and services delivered by DoorDash. DoorDash app and website for ordering, DoorPass subscription service, DashMart is convenience store delivery, grocery and retail delivery, storefront software for restaurants, corporate and catering solutions. So based on this, we have created a business commissions, advertising, and delivery fee. Market position, as I told earlier, this company provides a 60% of entire growth in US based sector. The market leader in US food delivery, competitors with Uber Eats, GrabHub, Instacart, and Amazon. It is expanding into groceries and retail delivery, international presence in multiple regions. Next, challenges and opportunities for DoorDash. Challenges: high operation cost, competition, and regulation of gig workers. Opportunities: drone and robot delivery, expanding services beyond food, technology innovations. So the strengths of this DoorDash are market dominance, strong logistic, data-driven approach, major brand partnership, and customer loyalty. Their weakness are thin profit margin, high operational costs, dependence on gig workers, that is legal issues, delivery delays, and limited global presence. Opportunities of DoorDash are expansion into new verticals, growth of virtual brands and cloud kitchens, AI and automation integration, strategic mergers and acquisition, new revenue streams. Threats: the threats means their outcomes, and they are creating some problems in the DoorDash company growth. Competition, pricing wars, regulatory changes, economic downturns, cyber security risk. Social and economical impact. It supports local restaurant and small business. It provides flexible earning opportunities for dashers, increases convenience for customers, part of growing gig economy ecosystem. DoorDash has profoundly impacted the economy and the society by establishing $106 billion in US economic activity from the report of 2024, supporting local merchants with increased sales and offering flexible on-demand earnings for millions of drivers. Socially, it has expanded consumer across to goods and facilitated food delivery to undeserved populations via. Conclusion: DoorDash is reshaped the food delivery industry. Its strong growth and innovation, it expanding beyond food delivery to logistic and retail, represents the power of technology enabled marketplaces. So DoorDash is not only delivering the food from customer to the restaurant, but it also provides some service, whatever the customer they need, everything they have satisfied. I hope if the student you are becoming as a role model of startupping like a food delivery business, I hope DoorDash business model canvas will help you to understand how every company is struggling and developing and how they reached a good approach in the customer strategy. Finally, I thank everyone to listen this video. Next YouTube video, I will bring a new innovative topics. Thank you.